I'm just trying to keep 20 teenagers out of trouble.
As much trouble as they could get in stranded in Newark during a blizzard with just shorts and flip-flops. This group from Southwest Washington just spent the last week in the Dominican Republic, where they donated most of their other clothes.
In shorts, in a snowstorm. It made quite the experience.
They were volunteering with Courts for Kids, a nonprofit that builds play areas for villages around the world.
It was pretty unreal working with the locals there and having such a language barrier, but just being able to work together and complete such a big project.
By the end, they were ready to get home. That's when the blizzard hit.
Hi, Mom.
Canceling their flight and stranding them in this Newark hotel until Sunday.
I haven't heard anyone complain, and they just the whole spirit of the trip was putting others first and serving others, and and they have kept that same spirit even when we're stranded. So I'm really proud of them.
And get this, none of these kids brought their cell phones on the trip. I repeat, no cell phones for 13 days.
They actually learned on the trip that they really connected with people by disconnecting. And so they had real conversations and with real people, and they really got a lot out of it.
You might even call it transformative.
I'm not going to use my phone. I'm going to stop my Snapchat streak.
For now, there's too much else to focus on, like laughing together and not freezing in the snow.
And in flip-flop.
Memories they can all post later on their hearts. The other stuff can wait at least a few more days.
Thank you to everyone who's supporting us here. We feel the love.
Neslin says church groups there in Newark have been bringing the kids food and clothes, and others have been donating online to get them through the weekend. If you have plans to head out to the East Coast this week, you'll definitely want to check FlyPDX before you head out to make sure your flight hasn't been canceled. Back to you.